Hi friends, don't design your kitchen by simply following what your friends or relatives have done. Create a kitchen that is tailored to your cooking style, daily routine and practical needs. A messy kitchen makes cooking stressful because you waste time searching for ingredients, utensils, and space to work comfortably. But an organized kitchen makes cooking very easier and faster because everything is placed in right location and easily accessible. It also keeps the space clean, functional, and stress-free, helping you enjoy your daily cooking routine more efficiently. By the end of this video, you will get a complete idea of how to design an organized kitchen using smart storage solutions and easily available kitchen accessories. This video will help you create a functional, clutter-free and efficient kitchen in a simple way.
Welcome to our YouTube channel Vibha Interior Tips, where we are providing information related to interiors and construction. Friends, I am dividing this video into two sections so that it's easy for you to choose modular kitchen accessories according to your requirements. In this section, you will have complete picture of different types of drawers available in the market. In section 2, you will finalize which cooking routine you prefer on daily basis. Understanding your cooking routine. Section 1. Different types of essential drawers that are required for modular kitchen. First one is cutlery unit, second Thali plate, third one is pantry pull-out drawer, fourth one is corner magic drawer or magic corner, and fifth one is tall unit. Friends, before starting, the modular kitchen can be made using both tandem boxes and stainless steel accessories. You do not have to choose just one, as they serve different purposes in kitchen setup. Tandem boxes are modern soft close drawer systems with enclosed sides and smooth sliding channels. Gives premium and luxurious appearance, smooth soft close operation, dust protection because of the closed sides. On the other hand, SS baskets are traditional modular kitchens. Use welded steel wire baskets that sit on the basic sliding channels. If we compare both two, tandem drawers always looks luxurious, but they are costlier than the stainless steel baskets. Okay, let's start with different types of essential drawers required for modular kitchen. First one is cutlery drawer, perfect for storing spoons, forks, knives and small kitchen tools in an organized way. You got two options here. One thing is you can use this stainless steel one, or you can take a tandem drawer and you can place the separators in that. Different types of drawers that are available in the market, from the minimum size of 12 inches, that is 1 feet to 3 feet, and standard depths you can
Draw channel depth you can keep 4 inches.
And height you can go for 6 to 8 inches. You can select according to your requirements. Which is the best placement for this? It's better to place this drawer near the cooking area, that is near the stove, for easy workflow, and it's perfect for storing spoons. If you are going for the tandem box, then you can place the cutlery organizer that are available in the market inside the tandem drawers. In market you will get three types of the cutlery organizer, that is PVC one, adjustable one, and another one is wooden cutlery organizers. As I told earlier, tandem boxes are costlier than the SS basket, but look wise it's really good. Related to this, I'll be sharing with you a smart bonus tip after the end of the section 1.
And next comes the Thali basket. It will measure from 10 inches to 20 inches in diameter, and the width of this will be 20 inches. You can leave the space on either side inside for the proper operations, or it helps in organizing the dish storage. Easy handling of plates and bowls. If you can go for double Thali plate basket starting from width 20 inches to 30 inches in case if there is a joint family. Next drawer is pantry pull-out drawers. Pull-out kitchen drawers are highly effective accessories for removing clutter, and deep cabinet spaces gets maximizing. It can be used to keep small glass items like pickle, jam bottles. Instead of bending down or reaching to the end of the stand,
These organizers help. They slide forward completely to give you a clear, easy access to bottles, pantry goods, and small appliances. And fourth one is the corner magic drawer or the magic corner. This is an excellent one. A significant amount of storage space is usually wasted in corner cabinets. Installing a magic corner unit is one of the best ways to utilize this space efficiently and improve the accessibility. Specifically, it is specially designed to utilize difficult corner spaces, and it converts the dead storages into usable storage, ideal for compact kitchens. Do this, I'll be sharing with you a smart bonus tip after the end of the section 1. Next one is tall units. Tall units are floor to ceiling kitchen cabinets that helps you to use vertical spaces efficiently, avoid the dust collecting gaps, and provides the extra storage. They can be used to store groceries like pantry or to neatly fit the built-in appliances in one places. And usually standard tall unit width ranges from 1 feet to 3 feet wide. You can choose them as per your requirement. Now I will show you how to choose it. If you want to use them for a narrow gaps to keep oil or spices, you can go for 1 feet wide tall unit. Or in case if you want to have pull out wide baskets to keep the vegetables, onion or potato, then you can choose medium pantry unit of 1.5 feet width. Or else if you are planning for a built-in ovens, microwaves or tandem ladders, then you must go for the industry standard, that is 2 feet. The last one is, if you are going for a heavy grocery storage or bottom closet, then you must go for a wide double doored units, that is the largest. You must keep the width as 3 feet. Advantages of this is easy visibility and better space utilization. As I promised earlier, I'll be giving a bonus tip. So first bonus tip is a smart combination. Tandem boxes are costlier than the SS basket. So instead of choosing only one system, many modern kitchens use both of them. That is tandem drawers for visible areas and heavy storage, and SS baskets for utility areas and vegetable storage. This gives both functionality and cost efficiency. Second one is, in case of stainless steel baskets, item may collect dust more easily and smaller accessories may occasionally slip through the gaps. However, this is only a minor concern. You can use modular kitchen basket liners or anti-slip mats that are also called as basket liners or anti-slip mat. Cabinet shelf liners, they prevent the fall through. They stop these small items, cutleries and spices from dropping. Also protects the drawers below from leaks and stains. Coming to the second section number 2, understanding your cooking routine. Before choosing kitchen colors, materials or layouts, first you must ask yourself one important question: how do you actually use your kitchen every day? Because kitchen should not only look beautiful, it should support your daily routine comfortably and efficiently. If you cook regularly, larger countertops for meal preparation, more storage for groceries, utensils, cookware and easy access to free. In other hand, if you cook occasionally, if you simple meals, a compact and minimal kitchen can work perfectly. In such cases, too many cabinets may become unnecessary. A smaller countertop may be sufficient. Open layouts can create a cleaner and more spacious feel. Simple storage solutions can reduce maintenance and clutter. This helps you both budget and space. Choosing the right style of cooking gives you complete clarity for designing your kitchen. It saves a lot of your time and budget. If you like this video, do like and share with your friends, and see you in the next video.